I've always wanted to work in a cafe. My older brother owned this big, fancy one downtown, but he never let me work there. Said it's not my place. Maybe he thinks I'm not ready, or maybe he just doesn't want me around. Either way, it hurts. Then, one day, he did something I didn't accept. He bought me a van, not just any van. But one I could turn into my own little coffee shop on wheels. Takeaway style, my dream finally moving. Now, every morning I wake up early, prep my beans, syrups, grinder, everything just right. I drive to busy spots and open up. People rush past and some stop for a quick cup. It's not always crowded, but it's mine, my space, my proof that I can do something on my own. But there's one customer I look forward to more than anything. She comes every night, same time, orders a flavored latte, always the same one. I don't know her name. I'm not sure she even knows mine. But I see her from behind the counter and something about her just stops me. My hands shake a little, my words catch in my throat. Every night I tell myself, this is it, say something. And every night I just say, here you go, and hand her the cup. She smiles, nods politely, and walks away. And I stand there, watching her disappear into the night, thinking, what if? I imagine us, sometimes, sitting in the van after closing, trading stories, laughing, maybe holding hands. But in real life, I can't even say hi properly. Maybe one day I'll find the courage to tell her how I feel. Maybe one day she'll see me. Until then, I'll keep showing up, keep making her latte, for her, for me, for the hope that one cup of coffee might change everything.
Bravo.